Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, my dear brothers and sisters. As you can see that this package it has come from Eastern Bank Ltd. So we are here with distinguished guests. I would like to interview them and get to know who they are and what they have donated. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, brother.
I'm Zia Al Karim. I'm the head of communication and external affairs. And the devastating earthquake that shattered Turkey, there is no words can express the sadness that we have. Turkey has been a wonderful friend, a trusted friend, and the relationship with Turkey goes way, way back. Even Nazrul wrote a poem on Kamal Pasha.
Qazi Nazrul Islam, isn't it?
Yes, Qazi Nazrul Islam has written a poem on Kamal Pasha. So the relationship is not only friendly but culturally and other the trade relationship is also growing. So in this time of great urgency and surviving situation, we are here to support in any way to the friendly people of Turkey, and we are donating jackets, and we hope that our and meager humble support will be of beneficial for the earthquake victims in Turkey.
How many packets of jackets are you donating? Is it only jackets or there are more other items?
We source basically initially jackets, 52 packets of them, and also tents. But since this is the last day and they are not going to extend, this sourcing is going to take a couple of days more. But up till now, we are donating jackets.
MashaAllah. Any words of condolences to the loved ones, to the ones who are bereaved?
It's very difficult to comfort people who lost their near and dear ones. That's very difficult to do that. But the world would like to say that we are by their side. We are emotionally connected to the people of Turkey who are suffering now.
Thank you so much for your message of love, peace and solidarity. And that's all from now. Inshallah, we will be interviewing some other distinguished guests who are coming on the way with more blankets, jackets. So this is something which is utmost necessary for the livelihood of many different people living over there, because they're living under harsh conditions. It's below -10, -20 degrees.